Are you looking for the top 10 vegetables that can help lower your blood sugar levels naturally? If so, then this video is perfect for you. We will be discussing 10 diabetes-friendly vegetables that are packed with nutrients and can help improve insulin sensitivity, reduce inflammation, and manage your blood glucose levels. So if you are ready to learn more about these superfoods, let's get started. Number 1. Spinach. Spinach is one of the best vegetables for people with diabetes. Due to its high content of antioxidants, vitamins, and minerals, it is a great source of vitamin C, which helps to lower blood sugar levels by increasing insulin sensitivity. Additionally, spinach is rich in magnesium, which has been shown to reduce the risk of developing type 2 diabetes. The high fiber content in spinach also helps to regulate blood sugar levels by slowing down the digestion and absorption of carbohydrates. Plus, it's delicious and versatile. You can add spinach to salads, soups, smoothies, or even it as a side dish. Make sure to include this leafy green vegetable in your diet for an easy and effective way to manage your blood sugar levels. 2. Broccoli. Broccoli is another excellent choice for people with diabetes. It is a cruciferous vegetable that contains a variety of nutrients, including vitamin C, vitamin K, fiber, and The vitamin C in broccoli helps to reduce blood sugar levels by stimulating insulin production and increasing insulin sensitivity. The fiber in broccoli also helps to slow down the digestion of carbohydrates, which helps to regulate blood sugar levels. But that's not all. Broccoli also contains sulforaphane, a compound that has been shown to reduce inflammation and improve insulin sensitivity. You can steam, roast, or stir-fry broccoli to keep it as nutritious as possible. Add it to your stir-fries, salads, or enjoy it as a snack. Eating broccoli regularly can help you manage your blood sugar levels and provide many other health benefits. 3. Brussels sprouts. Brussels sprouts are becoming a popular choice among people with diabetes because they contain a variety of essential nutrients that can help lower blood sugar levels. They are a good source of fiber, vitamin C, vitamin K, and several The fiber content helps to regulate blood sugar levels by slowing the digestion and absorption of carbohydrates, while the vitamin C content aids in reducing blood sugar levels by increasing insulin sensitivity. Additionally, Brussels sprouts contain compounds that have been shown to lower blood sugar levels by stimulating insulin release from the pancreas. To prepare Brussels sprouts, you can trim and chop them, then them in olive oil until tender, or you can roast them in the oven until crispy. Add them to salads or enjoy them as a side dish. Incorporating Brussels sprouts into your diet can be an effective way to lower your blood sugar levels and improve your overall health. 4. Cauliflower. Cauliflower is another versatile and nutritious vegetable that can help people with diabetes manage their blood sugar levels. It is low in carbs and calories, making it an ideal choice for those looking to reduce their carbohydrate intake and improve their glycemic control. Cauliflower contains several important nutrients, including vitamin C, vitamin K, potassium, and fiber. The vitamin C content helps to increase insulin sensitivity, while the fiber content helps to slow down the digestion and absorption of carbohydrates. Cauliflower is also rich in antioxidants such as curcumin, which have been shown to have anti-inflammatory and blood sugar lowering effects. To prepare cauliflower, you can steam, roast, or rice it. You can also mash it as a healthier alternative to mashed potatoes. Whether you eat it as a side dish or use it as an ingredient in other recipes, cauliflower is a delicious and nutritious addition to a diabetes-friendly diet. Kale. Kale is a leafy green vegetable that is packed with nutrients and can help people with diabetes manage their blood sugar levels. It is a good source of vitamins A, C, K, and B vitamins, as well as minerals like calcium and potassium. The high fiber content in kale also helps to slow down the digestion of carbohydrates, which can help regulate blood sugar levels. Studies have shown that kale extract may even improve insulin sensitivity and lower blood sugar levels directly. You can consume kale in various ways, such as in salads, smoothies, or as a side dish. Just make sure to cook it lightly to avoid overcooking, which can reduce its nutritional content. Kale is a nutritious and delicious addition to a diabetes-friendly diet that can help lower your blood sugar levels and improve your overall health. Green beans. Green beans are a low-carb, low-calorie vegetable that are packed with important nutrients like vitamin C, vitamin K, and fiber. The vitamin C content helps to increase insulin sensitivity, while the fiber content slows down the digestion of carbohydrates, helping to regulate blood sugar levels. Studies have also shown that green beans contain antioxidants and compounds that may help lower blood sugar levels and reduce inflammation. To prepare green beans, you can steam, roast, or you can also add them to salads or stir-fries. Eating green beans regularly can help you manage your blood sugar levels and provide many other health benefits. 7. Bell peppers. Bell peppers are colorful and crunchy vegetables that are packed with important nutrients. They are a great source of vitamin C, which helps to lower blood sugar levels by increasing insulin sensitivity. Additionally, bell peppers contain several including quercetin and capsaicin, which have been shown to reduce inflammation and improve insulin metabolism. The high fiber content in bell peppers also helps to slow down the digestion of carbohydrates, which can help regulate blood sugar levels. To incorporate bell peppers into your diet, You can add them to salads, stir fries, or fajita. You can also stuff them with quinoa or other healthy ingredients for a nutritious meal. Eating bell peppers regularly can help you manage your blood sugar levels and provide many other health benefits. Number 8. Cucumber. Cucumbers are low in carbs and calories and high in water content, making them an excellent choice for people looking to manage their blood sugar levels. They contain several important nutrients, including vitamin C, vitamin K, potassium, and magnesium. The vitamin C content helps to increase insulin sensitivity, while the potassium content helps to regulate blood pressure and reduce inflammation. Cucumbers are also a good source of antioxidants, such as tannins and flavonoids, which have been shown to reduce oxidative stress and improve insulin metabolism. To enjoy cucumbers, you can eat them raw in salads or as a snack. You can also cucumber sandwiches or use them as a healthy and refreshing ingredient in smoothies. Eating cucumbers regularly can help you manage your blood sugar levels and provide many other health benefits. Number 9. Eggplant. Eggplant is a versatile and nutritious vegetable that can be included in a diabetes-friendly diet. It is low in carbs and calories and contains several important nutrients, including fiber, vitamin C, potassium, and magnesium. The fiber content helps to regulate blood sugar levels by slowing down the digestion of carbohydrates, while the vitamin C content aids in reducing blood sugar levels by increasing insulin sensitivity. Additionally, eggplants contain nacenin, an antioxidant that has been shown to reduce inflammation and improve insulin metabolism. To prepare eggplant, you can grill, roast, you can also use it to make delicious dishes like eggplant parmesan or baba ganoush. Eating eggplant regularly can help you manage your blood sugar levels and provide many other health benefits. Number 10. Lettuce. Lettuce is a low-calorie, low-carb vegetable that is packed with important nutrients like vitamin A, vitamin K, and folate. The vitamin A content helps to regulate blood sugar levels by increasing insulin sensitivity, while the folate content aids in reducing inflammation. Additionally, lettuce contains several antioxidants, including beta-carotene and lutein, which have been shown to reduce oxidative stress and improve insulin metabolism. To enjoy lettuce, you can eat it raw in salads or as a wrap for sandwiches. You can also use it to make healthy and refreshing smoothies or soups. Eating lettuce regularly can help you manage your blood sugar levels and provide many other health benefits. Thank you for watching our video on the top 10 vegetables that can help lower your blood sugar levels naturally. We hope you found this information helpful and that you will add these diabetes-friendly vegetables to your diet. If you enjoyed this video, please give us a thumbs up and share it with your friends and family. And don't forget to subscribe for more health and wellness tips. Stay healthy and take care.